You hear the noise, just empty talk, twisted minds, nothing but lies. Dogs eat dogs, men kill men, no love left, just pretend. Life's a cheap show, a rotten scene. They turn your soul into a sewer stream. Freedom hurts, justice bleeds, evil shines in luxury. They took Christ down from the cross and put you there instead. They say it's right, they say it's fair. Enough lies, enough disguise. This life you're living is a lie. Bombs are falling, people die. What the fuck you doing tonight? Silent sheep, I should tight. Let the slaughter without a fight. What the fuck your people died. Truth is drowned in television, faith replaced by submission. Morals sold, souls on sale. Gold crowns rot, kings will fail. Freedom hurts, justice screams. Pain is law, greed is king. They preach peace with loaded guns. Wash their hands when the killing's done. Enough lies, enough illusion. This life is just a mass delusion. What the fuck your people die? What the fuck are you doing tonight? New sheep marching in, waiting calmly for the night. Bombs are falling, people die. Wake the fuck up or comply. No saviors left, no holy ground, just ash